Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we have Lincoln Indoor-Outdoor Floor Fountain. A blend of rustic modern style, the Lincoln Indoor-Outdoor Floor Fountain will bring a refreshing touch of sound right into your space. At 34 inches tall, this fountain sports 4 basins at varying heights. The entire fountain is comprised of a rectangular tower with a step look. Water flows down from the top basin, continuing down to the bottom through matching spigots at various points. The wood grain finish ties rustic coloring into the contemporary design. With sleek lines and rustic detailing, this fountain can fit right into a vintage-inspired indoor space. If placed in a copper-toned entryway, this fountain will bring pleasant sounds to your space as soon as you walk in the door. With a 360-degree view, there's no bad side to this fountain. If placed at center stage, or alongside an outdoor sitting area, the cool sounds of water will help to instill a tranquil setting in your outside space. Need this? Buy it now by clicking the button on the description below.